Hello and welcome to another MDAR training video. This one follows on from the program groups one, and we're going to be talking about how to select the different program groups. 9 times out of 10 you'll leave it in program group 1 and that'll be the end of it. But what happens if you want to switch off a program group, or you've gone to an extreme level and you've programmed lots of different things into each program group? So the most straightforward way of doing it is to access it via VelbusLink. Right hand click on the module in question, choose operate, and the very top one there is active program group, and from here we can see currently we have no program group selected, and if we change, it's a live change on the bus and we can see the calendar icons changed to program group 1, and it'll follow that with all the other actions. Now this is okay if you've only got 2 or 3 you want to do and you don't want to do them very often, but what happens if you've got many more panels or modules and you want to change them quite regularly? So the easiest way to do that is to create a group of actions onto a button, and the very easiest way of doing that is with the macro wizard. So let's choose a button. So I've got some spare buttons on this OLED. Let's call them group 1, group 2. So right hand click on the first one you do, choose macro and macro wizard. What we want to be doing is setting the panels to program group 1. Nice little pop up there. Choose next. Now we want to see which buttons do we want to be the initiators. So we program those on there already, so it's group 1. And what do we want the subjects to be? Well, we want everything to be affected. So let's select everything that supports that action. And interestingly, this wizard will filter out all the modules that do not support the action you've chosen. That's it. Click on finish, and that's it. That's your 4 program groups, 4 actions already added. We do it again with the other one, macro wizard. This time we're looking for program group 2. Select program group 2. Again, we're going to choose the button that we want the initiator to be, and we want all of the modules that support this to have them added. And that's it. So there we are, program group 1, program group 2. And if we synchronize it, that's it. That's all. Hold on. Any moment now. There we go. That's all done. So how do we prove that that's working? So let's mimic the button. So we'll right and click and operate this, and we're going to be mimicking the fact we press the button. So keep your eye on the calendar entries now as I mimic that, and all those change to program group 1. And if I now do program group 2, you'll say they all change to 2. It's that simple. And it doesn't have to be a button event that's triggering it. I have a weather station, for example, that when one of the alarms says that it's been above a threshold for a certain amount of time, I just tell the whole house to go into summer mode, and all it does is select a different program group. But at the end of the summer, when the temperature starts to drop, once it's been below a certain threshold for a period of time, it then puts the whole house back into winter mode, which means the heating comes on. So that's just one of the applications of this macro. So there you go. That's it. That's a quick and easy way of how to select different program groups and get the sort of performance you're after. Thank you for watching this short video, and catch us for the next one.